In this video, I'll be testing out trading only with signals from ChatGPT on Pocket Option. I know you've probably come across a lot of videos about AI trading bots, showing all kinds of strategies and results. So in this video, we'll put this AI to the test by using its signals to make real trades on Pocket Option and see how well it performs in the market. Without much talk, let's go to the video. I've created a brand new Pocket Option account and deposited $100 into its real account. I will be placing $5 trades based on the signals provided by ChatGPT and tracking the results to see how accurate and profitable they can be. Let's place the first trade. I will ask ChatGPT to generate a 1-minute trading signal on the EUR/USD market based on market data and some technical analysis. I will also tell ChatGPT to use indicators like RSI, MACD, and moving averages to determine the signal. Finally, I will ask ChatGPT to provide me with a brief description of the reasoning for the generated signal. So, let's see what ChatGPT says. According to ChatGPT's finding, the RSI indicator has gone below 30 and the market has touched the lower Bollinger Bands of the Bollinger Bands indicator. Even though usually this oversold state is a signal for a buy trade, ChatGPT is telling us to go for a sell trade on the market. So, following its signal, I will place a $5 sell trade on the market. Well, we lost that trade. Let's try again. However, instead of a 1-minute trade, let's tell ChatGPT to give a 5-minute trade signal to see how it answers. This time, using technical indicators and moving averages, ChatGPT has given us a buy signal on the 5-minute trade. Let's see what happens. Keep in mind, when I ask this question from ChatGPT, it's not just guessing the signal by looking at the market. If we click here, we can see that ChatGPT uses websites like Cashback Forex, Action Forex, and TradingView to gather proper and up-to-date technical data on the currency pair. However, to do this, you need to have the ChatGPT paid version, since the free version doesn't have access to real-time data. Let's get back to the trade. Seems like we lost that one too. Let's not give up and place a few more trades. This time I will again ask for a 1-minute trade. According to ChatGPT, we should again place a buy trade in the market, even though the market has reached a certain resistance level and created a huge green candle. ChatGPT seems to be having a really hard time analyzing the market. So far, we've placed 3 trades according to ChatGPT's signals and lost all of them. Nonetheless, let's go forward with the ChatGPT signal and place a buy trade on the market. Finally, we were able to win our first trade. Let's continue. Once again, ChatGPT has given us a buy signal. We won that trade as well. A buy signal again. Unfortunately, we lost that trade as well. So far, we're only able to win 2 trades out of 6, which means we've lost 4 trades. Let's ask ChatGPT to give us 2 final signals. As you guys saw, I lost 1 trade and won the other. This means in total, I have placed 8 trades in which I only won 3, meaning I lost nearly $15. Does this mean AI trading is bad and inaccurate all the time? No. AI trading is not necessarily bad and can be really helpful for beginner traders. Keep in mind that the prompt I gave ChatGPT was an extremely simplified request. If I were to give ChatGPT more details surrounding the signal I wanted, it would have been able to generate more accurate signals. Also, when we're trading in short-term markets and placing 1-minute trades, things like economic news surrounding the currency pair and many other factors doesn't make that much of an affect to the market. However, if we asked ChatGPT to give us a long-term trade signal like one for a week, ChatGPT would have the ability to take this news and many other factors into consideration and give us a more accurate trade signal. Despite all this, one thing you have to keep in mind is that you're the one who takes the final action in a trade. So instead of solely relying on an AI or a bot, always make sure to do your own research. I hope you guys learned something new from this video. If you guys want to see more videos surrounding similar topics, make sure to subscribe. I will see you guys in the next video.